I'm Renee, and I'm the founder of the Mango House Trust. We are a craft led trust which is based out of Goa. We work with crochet craft. We are reviving crochet craft in a more contemporary form. In the past year, we worked on training artisans from low income background, women who have no access to income or any kind of work. And we've come up with our first showcase, which has products that we created in our Amazon supported workshop. And we are happy for you to see our product and support us in whatever way you can. So in the past 1 year, we've been working with a lot of artisans. We've reached to training around 50 women with us who are trained artisans now. We've conducted multiple workshops and we've explored different forms of crochet. There are certain forms which are in fine thread, there are certain techniques which can be used in a fillet form. So we've tried to train our artisans in different techniques in crochet, and it really helps them in getting regular work either through us or on their own. They're able to at least create products which can be sold very easily. So we have a team of 50 artisans right now, and our future plan is that we should be able to take this team to around at least 400 artisans, and I feel it's doable for us. We just need support from local Goan brands, stores who take pride in wearing and supporting products which are handcrafted in crochet. If you don't have craft, you have nothing left in this region, right? So I feel it's our responsibility as designers, as individuals, to really come out and in the support of crafts and put Goa on the global craft map, because I think it's really doable for us. I feel that it should start with people buying more handmade. Why have people stopped buying handmade? Because they have cheaper substitutes of a ready-made product. But when you support handmade, you're supporting a craft in a certain area. You are supporting a family. You're supporting that family's future children's education and growth. So it's very important for us to make sure that we support and buy more handmade, and that's the only way for us to revive and sustain a certain craft. So what we've done at the Mango House is that we've created a new context or a product for the same craft. If the craft is practiced in its traditional form, then over a period of time it gets replaced by other products, right, which are machine made and are more better in terms of utility. Whereas how do you make a craft survive is when you contemporize the context of that craft. You make sure that you introduce the same craft in products which can be used in everyday home. So I think that's been our mission, and also we're a team of designers. I'm backed by a very strong design team. My head designer is from NIFT Mohali. My craft expert or craft designer is also used to be a professor from Niftali. So because we are a team of designers, we are able to think of the same craft in a more contemporary context and create products which can be used by global consumers.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.